Hello guys, good morning. Today I am with the PS4 and let's check what's the problem in it. Yes, blue light blinking, but no display. Blue light is still blinking. Yes, now the light is white. It's mean that it boots up, but still no display. Let's see. And as you can see that it is shutting down also normally. Let's see, it shuts down. Yes, now it is on standby. You can see the orange light blinking, so everything is fine, but we cannot get the display. So let's open it. And as you can see that it is a sealed machine. Now guys, take a look for the physical test. Like this. I will show you on the other board. This is the OK board. This should be like that. And this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. OK. But here in this board, all the lines, the output data lines that goes to HDMI are with straight vertical line. It means the lines are short with ground. All the lines are short. Now also let's have a look for this LAN card. It seems to be good. Here we can also check to verify. Yes. Yes. And now we will check for the input data lines that are coming from the source of this APU. APU is giving all the data, as you can see. That all these lines going to the south bridge, and other these lines, this data is going to the HDMI decoder chip. I will show you at the back side. Here it is. This comes at these points. I will check after removing this chip. All the data must be checked, then I will replace this chip. Never give heat directly on the chip. Always give heat at the sides of this chip, and the excess heat you must give at the back side of this board. Second time again at the back side of this board, so that the ground part of this chip that is used as a heatsink too, the solder of this part could be melt. Now we can remove this chip easily. Let's try. Yes, you can see. Now I will check for these data points that are the inputs of this chip from APU. Let's check it. Now it is quite clean, and let's check for the data. It is ground, yes, and this one is data. It is again data through a ceramic capacitor, and now here is the data through ceramic capacitor. It is also data, yes, I can see this one, yes, and this one, yes, and this one, okay. It is data direct from the logic. It is also direct from the logic, direct from the logic, yes, and these are the testing points, NC points. And now let's check for these, that either the capacitor, where are the capacitor? It is showing the coupling capacitor. coupling capacitors are yes, here are the coupling capacitors for all the display data. As you can see, yes, all the data to this HDMI decoder is going from these coupling capacitors, and the logic we can test it here. Direct logic, it is like this, and this, and this, and this, and this, and this. All the logics are fine, and I think we should need not to check anymore. And this is the south bridge data that is going to south bridge. Here this logics, you can check it here, all are fine. So guys, only the problem is with this chip. This chip is bad. Let's replace it, and after replacing this chip we can check our display. Come on, yes. Flux. And the direction should be like this. The slim board is less resistant against the heat. It's easy to install this chip on it. I hope it's fine. Let's check it again for the output data. Now you can see that the output data is good. Yes, it's fine. Second, third, fourth, 5, 6, 7 and 8. All is fine. Hopefully now we can get the display out of this chip. Let's install it on our fan and heatsink assembly. Then I will show you the display. I need to refresh this paste. It is very easy. Take a WD-40 and slightly apply this like this. And here too. It's fine. Let's close it. This is the HDMI cable. I will check for it. Yes, and we must see the display. Yes, you can see. The light has gone to white. It will boot up again. Yes, we have the display, and here I'm going to sync this. Okay guys, thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoy my short video. Goodbye.